On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp QR code. First thing guys, you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then you have to choose the WhatsApp app right here. Now after you click on WhatsApp, on this page you will find the app informations. Click on force stop and then click on the data usage. Make sure to enable all the data usage options. Go back, click on the permissions back. Now make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the camera. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then click on this force stop, and that's it. The problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, that's mean that you have a problem in your camera, so you have to clean it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.